Hey everyone, Trent Johnson here with the marketing team at L2L. Going to tell you a little bit about a new function that we've added to all of our product modules. So many of our customers have multilingual workforces and want to make sure that nothing gets lost in translation on the shop floor. So if you look at the screen here, we have a recently created dispatch number 8170, and the mechanic has written in Spanish about the problem that they're having. So being a native English speaker, I can't exactly understand what's being said here. But if I push this button, this A button right here, very quickly, I can see the translation to what the mechanic wrote, and I can note that the pump is leaking, and I can take action to fix the situation. So it's as simple as that. At L2L, we really strive to make everything very simple and easy to use. And you can see with our translation feature, we've done that in all of our open text boxes. So if you have any questions about this feature or any other features in L2L, please reach out to info@l2l.com. Be on the lookout for more exciting L2L news coming up in the next few weeks. Thank you very much.